Greetings. It is November 9th, 2019. I just unpacked this drawing I did between 2015 and 16, 3 to 4 years ago. Nice to see it again. Nice to see Sir Herbert Read. Sir Herbert, you're looking well. Double portrait. And it's called Sir Herbert Read's Magical Tour of Puget Sound. He was actually never in Seattle and Puget Sound, to the best of my knowledge. I don't even know if he ever visited America or Canada at all. He died and passed on in 1968, the year I was a senior and graduated from high school. Anyway, I read a couple of his books when I was an undergraduate art major, including To Hell with Culture, which I loved. One part in particular where he wrote about his belief that the making of art, let's say whether it was cave painters in the Pyrenees thousands of years ago, or someone like Chopin or Degas, Stravinsky composing, whomever, that it's to make art is magic, and hence posthumously fantasized I was giving him a magical mystery tour of Puget Sound. We have freighters, some sketches I did on the waterfront, and from Magnolia, motorboats, little sailboats, some sort of crane thing on the water. We have him with his portrayals with his ever ubiquitous bow tie, and then we have fantastic creatures of my imagination, like dinosaur-like here. Smiling though. We have early man, looks like early chicken, also another early chicken. This one says fast moving bite, B-O-I-D, that's like kind of Brooklyn, New York English. Tentacled peanut butter jellyfish, the dawn of bide life, that's here. We have a Mad Hatter bird, top of a toothpaste, like hard plastic thing I bought in a supermarket in West Palm Beach, Florida. I still have that. Kind of looks like a tiger. What do we have here? AKS Biking, Champaign, Illinois, 1972 and 2015. So actually some of this imagery I took from little sketches I had done for a cartoon style for a planned, or at least theoretically planned, history of the world, which was never realized other than the sketches. So that's like me in looks like shorts and a hat. We didn't have bike helmets back then. I used to bike to campus in Champaign, even in the cold winter. I'd put 2 pairs of blue jeans on, dungarees as they call them out east. Looks like a pardon, lizard of some sort, snoozing in the sun. What do we got? The original descriptions of these sketches: sailboats and huge tanker due West Magnolia. When did I do this? November 23rd, 1990. Wow. So I took those out of sketchbooks. Parked freighter and crane on platform off Magnolia Park. Okay, let's try to sketch that. There's more monsters there. These look like, Puget Sound gefilte. Double portrait in magical ink of Sir Herbert Read with requisite epaulets chronicles his magical art tour of Puget Sound. Okay, the epaulets are the Puget Sound gefilte on his left shoulder, that's on viewer's right, and the top of the toothbrush gizmo that I bought in West Palm Beach, Florida, on his right shoulder, which is on viewer's left. All right, there you have it, just like I pictured it. This is the work I want to keep with me into old age. I'm hoping, of course, to find a permanent exhibition display site home for all of my Under the Wings and Holocaust and Victims of Fascism and Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art Series and other Holocaust art. But this piece I'd like to keep for myself as I grow old. I'm already old, according to young people standards, but older old. All right, Sir Herbert. It's always nice to see your visage. Nice smile you have there, and keen eyes, and very kind of positively contemplative in the upper right portrait here, with your hand kind of leaning on your lower cheek there. Kind of like, I don't know, I guess like that. All right, there you have it.